Okay, so I replicated your data table so that I could kind of show you how this would work. You highlighted too much of the table in order to make it actually come out the way that you wanted it to. So in this instance, when it looks like this, I made these, first of all, I made this column. I went to format for number and I made it be plain text so that I could put in the percentage on there. So that my labels would come out correctly, because it was trying to graph your numbers that you had over here. It was trying to graph those as like part of the graph. It wasn't seeing that that was a label. It was seeing it as like numbers to graph. So we're only going to highlight the data itself and say insert our chart. So when you get your chart now, you can see that you have by the day, you have how many seeds germinated in each one of the percentages, but the title comes out wrong. So you just have to click up here and you can change your title. So you're going to update your title. And then the one other thing that you're going to want to do is so like this isn't correct down here either. So you're going to need to change your titles on this one. And so over here, you're going to update your title. On that one as well. And then, sorry, the last thing that you're going to do on here is we need to add a title on this side so that you have all your column and row, or you have all your axis labels. So you're going to click on Customize and Chart and Axis Titles, and this is the vertical axis over here. So now you can put in a title on this side over here. And then once that's in there, like you can put in whatever you want. You can click on it and now it's a text box in there. So you'll have all your titles that are in there. It just doesn't need, you don't highlight the title area here or because it thinks that it's numbers and it thinks it needs to graph it. So I hope that helped. If you have any other questions, please let me know.